type and intestinal type system. So this one is the diffuse type. These are the gastrectomy specimen. It is showing a diffuse thickening of the wall. This is the diffuse type. It is showing diffuse. ये जो part, ये जो section ऐसे कटा है, ये वाला जो part दिख रहा है, this is the diffuse with thickened part. All right, and this is the presence of ulcer. This is an ulcerated area. ये जो गोल सा दिख रहा है, this is ulcerated area, and this is the diffuse thickened part. ठीक है. Now, what is the appearance seen in case of diffuse gastric cancer? Dash bottle appearance. Linitus plastica and which bottle appearance? Leather bottle. Because it is diffuse type, it has leads to hard consistency of the mucosa. So it leads to leather bottle appearance. The consistency is very hard. It leads to leather bottle appearance of linitus plastica. Leather bottle appearance of linitus plastica. Now, which gene is involved in case of diffuse gastric cancer? CDH1. All right. So it is loss of CDH1. Diffuse type you will have loss of CDH1 gene. It leads to loss of E. cadherin. Which other carcinoma has loss of E. cadherin? बाहर भगा दूँ मैं क्लास इन्वेजिव लोब्यूलर कार्सिनोमा ऑफ ब्रेस्ट तो इन्वेजिव लोब्यूलर कार्सिनोमा ऑफ ब्रेस्ट along with diffuse gastric cancer they both have loss of E. cadherin. So because of loss of E. cadherin the cells have lost their cohesion, so they are not present in a particular pattern, they are present singly. So which particular cells are present in diffuse gastric cancer? Signatoring cells. What are signatoring cells? The nucleus is pushed towards the periphery because of presence of mucin in the cell. So the nucleus is pushed towards the periphery. So they are characteristically present in case of diffuse gastric cancer. So you have to remember the gene, alright, the growths, the leather bottle appearance, linitus plastica, and the signatoring cell in diffuse type of gastric. Then in case of intestinal type, this is the growth which is present. This is the growth. The exophytic or proliferative growth which is present. दिख रहा है? पीछे सबको दिख रहा है? ये था इसमें diffuse thickening थी, इसमें कोई specific growth नहीं थी, पूरी wall thickened थी, है ना? तो diffuse type है, and this is the proliferative. सबको दिख रहा है? This is the proliferative. Which gene is involved in this? It is the same gene involved in carcinoma of colon is involved in. ठीक है? Now, what will be the predisposing factors for carcinoma stomach? H. pylori infection, gastritis,
chronic gastritis,
और
smoke food,
barbecue food, smoking and
hot beverages, spicy food,
Barrett's esophagus, GERD, all these are risk factors. The presence of genetic mutations, all these are risk factors for development of carcinoma. And in this type, what will be the morphology in this type of carcinoma stomach? Same as present in carcinoma colon, because it is intestinal type, so again it will have the adenocarcinomatous pattern. Alright, so clear हो गया सब्जेक्ट मैंने? The type of ulcers present are
transverse ulcers,
then the DD will be typhoid. The ulcers in typhoid will be
longitudinal.
ठीक है, this is
Crohn's disease, IBD.
the presence of
Cobblestone appearance,
DD will be from ulcerative colitis as well as TB. Because in TB also you will find the granulomas, in Crohn's disease also you will find granulomas, but here it will be calcium. Okay, always study IBD in a tabulated form. Study between more different. This is
carcinoma colon, napkin ring constriction,
in the distal form. This is
diffuse type of
carcinoma stomach showing a diffuse thickening of the mucosal wall and an ulcerated area. And this is
intestinal type of
carcinoma stomach showing a proliferative. Okay. Any doubt?